Guys, this is Firework Stash 2015. Alright, started off, we got Bada Boom Pro Canister Shells. Awesome. Then we go to World Class Fireworks Excaliburs. Another awesome kit. Then we move up and we got the Mighty Cobra. That was free from PA Fireworks Outlet. We got a Bada Boom Little Italy. We got Dog Tired. We got World Class Rifle Range Ahead. 9 shots. Should be good. Then we come up. We got Bada Boom Silencer. Bada Boom Butcher. Those are good. Bada Boom makes them. And then we got God Country. We got Monster Bashing from Cutting Edge. We got a Mason Dixon from Brothers. That was a buy one, you get another, you get Temp Fate, which is on the next stack for free. Then we got a Migraine. That's a 3-inch finale from World Class. Come up, we got Killer Alligator, the Temp Fate from Brothers, 20 shots. Then we got Magnum, which is a fan cake. I think it's 25 shots from World Class. We got Military Tank from World Class, 25 shots. We got Dragon from World Class. That's a 500-gram cake. Not sure on the shots. Then we got Little Saturn 25-shot missiles. 96 color pearl. Squirrel 16-shot. Might sound weird, but it's a pretty good cake. I saw the video on it. Then we got Death Wish by Big Fireworks, 25 shots. Drain Banish, 200 grams from Cutting Edge. It was a buy one, get one free from Bada Boom Fireworks. Then we move over and we got Happy Fireworks, 36 shots. It's little goodie, you know, old but goodie one. And then we got No Signs of Life by Cutting Edge, 10 shots. Hope you guys like it. And click the like button and subscribe. See ya.